Hi everybody, I'm Rebecca. This is my kitchen and welcome to Sweet Sunday. Every Sunday between now and the end of the year, I am going to bake something sweet. We're going to start out with pumpkin and apples through the month, and then right before Thanksgiving I will start on some cranberry things, and then in December we will be doing cookies and fudge, just to lead you up to the holidays and through the first of the year. Today we're going to make pumpkin muffins the easy way.
Before the video starts, grab the subscribe button. We are giving away a set of Spurtles. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button, give the video a like, and leave a comment. Once we hit 500 subscribers, we will draw a random winner.
And I have a little thing to throw in them that I've never used before, and we're going to try it today. The first thing you're going to need is a spice cake. Anyone on the market will do. Doesn't matter what it is. And we're just going to empty that into our bowl. Now I have the oven preheating at 350, and I do have two pans with papers in them. One of them is fall leaves and the other one is just a really pretty brown checkered. And we're gonna fill our muffin containers when we get to that. Next, I'm going to add 15 ounces of pumpkin. It's 100% pure pumpkin. It's the pumpkin puree. It is not, please do not buy the Libby pumpkin pie. That is not it. You want 100% pumpkin with nothing else added to it. The other has stuff added to it. Your spice cake is what's going to add the spiciness to it. You're going to add that in there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to keep stirring it until we get it completely combined and there's nothing lumpy or anything like that. And as you can see, I'm looking for the white powder, looking for the cake mix that's in here. Make sure it's all done. No surprises. Now, I found these pumpkin spice flavored baking truffles, excuse me. And we're going to look at them because I'm going to add these just for something. They're like little squares. They're made by Nestle Toll House. They have a little taste, they have a real nice creamy shell with a center that tastes real spicy. And they're good. I think they'll be a good addition to the muffins. We're going to try them and see what happens. I've made these muffins before, but I've not added what I'm adding. So this will be the new thing. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these on this. I just kind of take a spoon and push it down in. It'll expand and fill in. But this helps it And what I'm going to do is put it in the oven. I'm going to bake it for about 15 minutes and check it until it comes out clean with a toothpick. So I'm going to give it 15 minutes and we'll come back. Hi, we're back. They took about 25 minutes. Check them. I used it, I thought about 15. I checked them, they weren't done. I put them back in 5 minutes. Almost done. I left them for a few more minutes and then pulled them out. But here they are. And you can see that turned kind of white and it's melty. That truffle that's in there, and they look delicious. They smell delicious. They have my home smelling like fall. And it just smells so wonderful. We are able to have the windows open. I thank you for joining me in my kitchen this Sunday morning. And I will see you next week on Sweet Sunday. Bye, everybody.